Ever wonder why gardening feels like pure magic? Stick around to discover why digging in the dirt sparks so much joy. My backyard jungle is my happy place. From the scent of freshly turned soil to the vibrant colors of a flower border in full bloom, the garden is a feast for the senses. In this video, we'll unearth 5 reasons why gardening captivates hearts. Plus, I'll share some fun tips to get you started. If you're ready to fall in love with gardening, smash that like button now to spread the green vibes and let's grow together. There's something truly grounding about stepping into the garden. It's like entering a sanctuary where the hustle and bustle of daily life fades away. It's like stepping into a different world, a world that runs to nature's rhythm, not our own. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to breathe and just be. The feel of the soil in your hands, cool and damp, or warmed by the sun, connects you to the earth in a way that's both primal and profound. The gentle breeze rustling the leaves and the sounds of birdsong filling the air create a symphony of nature that soothes the mind and soul. The garden is a sensory experience that captivates the soul. The vibrant colors, the fragrant scents, and the tactile sensations all come together to create a haven of peace. Planting a seed and watching it push its way through the soil, unfurl its first leaves and reach for the sun feels like a mini miracle. It's a testament to the resilience and beauty of life. It's a reminder that even in the smallest of things, life finds a way. Each sprout, each bloom is a celebration of nature's tenacity. And that connection to the natural world, to the very essence of life, is incredibly therapeutic. It grounds us, reminding us of our place in the grand tapestry of life. I find just pottering about in the garden, tending to my plants, soothes the soul. It's a form of meditation, a way to clear the mind and find inner peace. The worries of the day seem to melt away, replaced by the simple pleasure of nurturing something and watching it grow. It's a reminder that life is about growth and renewal. And the best part is, you don't need acres of land to experience this. Even a small urban garden can be a sanctuary. A window box filled with herbs, a balcony bursting with colorful blooms. Even a single houseplant can bring a touch of nature's magic indoors. It's about creating your own little piece of paradise. What's your favorite nature moment in your garden? Share in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Every garden has its own unique story. Did you know that studies have shown that gardening actually lowers stress hormones? It's a scientifically proven way to boost your mood and well-being. It's true. Spending time in nature, getting your hands dirty, and connecting with the earth is like nature's own chill pill. So, take a moment, step outside, and let the garden work its magic on you. The garden is a canvas, and you, my friend, are the artist. There are no rules, no right or wrong, just the freedom to let your imagination run wild. Fancy a vibrant mix of colors in a flower bed that would make a rainbow jealous? Go for it. Prefer the organized chaos of a vegetable patch bursting with delicious edibles? Get planting. Or maybe a whimsical fairy garden tucked away in a shady corner is more your style. The possibilities are endless. I once turned a collection of old mismatched teacups into a quirky succulent planter. It was a total blast, and it brings a smile to my face every time I see it. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try something new, to let your personality shine through in your garden. This weekend, why not try adding a touch of whimsy to your garden? Paint a terracotta pot in bright colors, create a mosaic from broken tiles, or build a bug hotel from recycled materials. Let your creativity run wild. We've all had our fair share of gardening mishaps, haven't we? I once planted a whole row of carrots upside down. It's safe to say I didn't win any prizes at the village show that year. But that's all part of the fun, learning as you go and embracing the unexpected. There's something incredibly rewarding about nurturing a plant from a tiny seed. It's a process that starts with a simple act of planting, but it quickly becomes a journey filled with anticipation and care, to a flourishing specimen, watching it grow day by day, tending to its needs, and ensuring it has the right conditions to thrive, and witnessing its progress is a journey of patience, hope, and ultimately, triumph. Each new leaf, each budding flower, is a testament to your dedication. And when you finally get to harvest the fruits or vegetables of your labor, well, that's a feeling like no other. I remember the first time I grew a zucchini. It was a small victory that felt monumental. It felt like I'd won a gold medal. The sense of accomplishment was immense, and it was a moment of pure joy. And the flavor? Let's just say it tasted like sunshine and victory. There's something uniquely satisfying about eating food you've grown yourself. Whether it's a juicy tomato still warm from the sun, a crisp lettuce bursting with flavor, or a fragrant herb adding zest to your dishes, homegrown produce simply tastes better. But the joy of harvest isn't just about the food. It's about the entire experience. It's about the flowers you've nurtured from tiny plugs, bursting into bloom and filling your garden with color and fragrance. It's about the joy of sharing your bounty with friends and neighbors, spreading the love one homegrown treat at a time. It's about the sense of community that comes from sharing your harvest. When you give someone a basket of fresh vegetables or a bouquet of flowers, you're not just giving them food or beauty. You're sharing a piece of your hard work and dedication. It's about the joy of sharing your bounty with friends and neighbors, spreading the love one homegrown treat at a time. What's the tastiest thing you've ever grown? Share your culinary triumphs in the comments below. Every seed we sow, every plant we nurture, teaches us valuable life lessons. We learn patience as we wait for nature to take its course. We learn resilience as we witness plants overcoming challenges and thriving. And we learn to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and with each other. And we learn to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Gardens have a remarkable way of bringing people together. They create a shared passion, a common ground where strangers become friends and neighbors become like extended family. It's the shared joy of swapping seeds and cuttings, the camaraderie of a local gardening club, or the online communities where green thumbs unite to share tips, advice, and of course, photos of their prized blooms. I remember chatting with my neighbor over the fence one day, lamenting my less than impressive sunflowers. He gave me a simple tip. Sunflowers need support, Fred. Stake 'em up. And you know what? He was right. That year, my sunflowers reached for the sky, thanks to a neighborly tip and a shared love of gardening. There's something truly special about sharing a plant cutting with a friend. It's like sharing a little piece of your garden and a little piece of your heart. And as that cutting grows and flourishes in its new home, it becomes a living reminder of the bond you share. This week, why not spread a little garden love? Gift a plant to a friend, share some seeds with a neighbor, or simply strike up a conversation with someone admiring your blooms. You never know what friendships might blossom. Gardening is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning, growing, and evolving. It's a lifelong adventure filled with surprises, challenges, triumphs, and yes, even the occasional comical mishap. Each day in the garden is a new chapter in a never-ending story. Every season brings something new to discover, from the first buds of spring to the colorful tapestry of autumn. The garden is a living, breathing entity that changes and adapts with the seasons. One minute you're marveling at a newly opened bloom, the next you're being outsmarted by a particularly determined squirrel. These moments of surprise and delight are what make gardening so special. Last autumn, I planted a mystery squash. I was excited and curious to see what would grow. I had no idea what it was, just a packet of seeds with a faded picture and a promise of something delicious. The anticipation was part of the fun. Well, that squash had other ideas. It grew and grew, taking over a whole corner of the garden. It took over a whole corner of the garden, producing a monstrous vegetable that could have won a prize for most unusual shape. It was a sight to behold. It was hilarious chaos, and a reminder that in gardening, as in life, embracing the unexpected is all part of the fun. The garden teaches us to be flexible and to find joy in the unexpected. The beauty of gardening is that anyone can do it. It's a universal activity that brings people together. You don't need acres of land, fancy tools, or years of experience. Gardening is accessible to everyone, regardless of space or skill level. A sunny windowsill, a small balcony, even just a pot of herbs on your kitchen counter is a great place to start. The possibilities are endless. Start small, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about the journey and the joy it brings. It's about getting your hands dirty, connecting with nature, and creating something beautiful. The tactile experience of working with soil and plants is incredibly rewarding. It's about the joy of watching things grow, the satisfaction of a bountiful harvest, and the endless possibilities that each new season brings. Each plant is a testament to your care and effort. So go on, get out there and get growing. The world of gardening is waiting for you. Your garden adventure starts today. Embrace it with open arms and watch as it transforms your life. So, gardening's magic because it connects us to nature. Sparks creativity, grows yummy stuff, builds community, and keeps us smiling. Grab a seed, a pot, or just some dirt. Your garden adventure starts today. Love this? Hit that like button to keep the garden love growing. Subscribe for more green tips and ring the bell so you don't miss a bloom. Let's make our world greener together.